Mid-motor Corvette are clearest pictures yet. Yahoo! High determination. Spy picture takers have conveyed the most astounding quality pictures yet without bounds mid-motor Chevrolet Corvette, this time as it was experiencing winter testing in the Arctic. This would appear to be a similar test donkey beforehand spotted from high over a test track and at a McDonald's, yet these give the best impression yet of what we may anticipate from a mid-motor Corvette, or whatever this winds up being. The main contrast is by all accounts the haggles, yet that is a direct result of the snow. At any rate, we would now be able to detect that in spite of having its motor in the back, this Corvette keeps up a removable, Targa-style rooftop. We would now be able to unmistakably make out the lines at the windshield header and over the B-column/move bar. We can likewise recognize that there is unmistakably an air allow underneath the squarish dark sideboard, as though the huge backside and short front end weren't at that point a sufficient mid-motor tip-off. Question: is the zone rearward of the backdrop illumination sufficiently extensive to fit the evacuated rooftop and maybe a trunk like the first Acura NSX? Additionally, from what we can make out of the sash underneath all that dark camo, there's next to no to discourage from the continuous conviction that this will surely be a Corvette. Regardless of whether it's a C7 substitution or an expansion to another Corvette family is as yet anybody's speculate this point. In any occasion, appreciate flipping through the pics, as though you haven't as of now.